Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export as Excel for a Grok AI table. First thing I'll do, I'll give a prompt, okay? And the main thing I'm doing is asking them to present the data in a markdown table. This is the most important. I've even specified the columns. You can do that if you want. So here's the column headings as well. And what usually people do, they come here, they click on copy, or they just highlight and control C to copy it, or right here, they click on copy. They come here to Excel, right? Let me go ahead and get rid of this and show you. They just come here and they paste it in. This is completely wrong. What you need to do is just click here, right? On the top right, you'll see copy table. Click on this icon, and then you just come to Excel, right? Just paste it in, and there you go. Then you just come here at the top left, click on File, click on Save As, and then just go ahead and save it as whatever you want. So in this case, an Excel file. Name your file. I'll just name it Grok Table. Okay, and then hit save. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.